Welcome to the Magic Picker. What can you choose from? First, give me a population. Population? That's just a Python word for a list of items. Apple, banana, orange, grape. Next, give me a K value. The K parameter tells me how many selections to make. So K equals 5 means pick 5 fruits. Exactly. And if I don't specify K, then I'll pick just one item by default. Have you noticed that apple gets picked more often? Let's look at the weights. Apple 50, banana 30, orange 15, grape 5. Weights control how likely each item is to be chosen. Bigger weights mean higher chances. Does that mean apple always wins? Nope. It's still random. But apple has a much better chance than grape. Think of weights like extra lucky tickets. The more tickets an item has, the more often it gets picked. Wait, what's cum_weights? Instead of individual weights, Python can use cumulative weights. Each value is the running total. Apple 50, banana 80, orange 95, grape 100. So banana's 80 means 50 plus 30. Orange's 95 means 80 plus 15. It's the same probabilities as weights, just written as running totals. Think of it like a scoreboard that keeps adding points as the game goes on. What does everything mean? Population things to choose from. Weights extra luck. Weights running totals. K number of picks. That's it.